Ladies and gentlemen, today we are up $700 on the day, or 1.81% on the day, close to 2%, right? You guys are gonna see on the live video, as soon as the market opened, which it was roughly around an hour ago, well, an hour and a half, I was up $0. And you guys are gonna see on the live trading how we executed everything, my live reaction, my analysis, my exits, my entries, and everything that I tell my students so I can keep myself and my students accountable for us not to take any trade, not to force any trade, and for us to actually make money. And also, you guys are gonna see why it's super important for us to actually keep ourselves accountable. Now, I hope that you guys find some value, and other than that, let me show you real quick all of my holdings. These are gonna be my holdings. Some of them are up 70%, 9%, 20%, 40, 50%, 60%, and this right here on the bottom are my new stocks that I went in this week, as you guys can see. Now, the following video is gonna be the live trading session that we had today, January 27th. I hope that you guys enjoy.
Today is crazy, man.
Oh yeah, it was up like 10k percent, right?
Yeah, 10K percent. It's like I believe it is even more. It's like it's go from 22 cents. So that company in 2019, I believe the value is like 7 billion of dollars, and then this last year went down like to less than 1 billion. And
Oh
then
wow.
they just go like after one day from 22 cents is like $10.
I mean, you guys. I told Joe that you guys can trade it. The only thing it'll be, since that's not on the S&P 500, you guys got to open up an account with whatever type of broker allows you to trade in Brazil. And then right after that, just follow the same pattern. Add the simple moving averages. Make sure that we have some volume, as we see in ticker symbol NG, and go from there. But once again, yeah, as long as we have the same thing, you guys can easily trade it. I wouldn't be able to know which broker allows you to trade that particular stock, but 100%.
Yeah, some of them in Brazil, they I have them in Charlie Schwab, but not that specific. So I just have like the big boys like Petrobras or a Vale, which is like a minerals.
Okay.
So yeah, so they're big, they're huge in Brazil.
Okay. Yeah.
So yeah.
Okay. Once again, if you guys can pretty much find a way to trade it, 100%. But I typically just stick to the S&P 500. Yeah, but by the way, this one ticker symbol NG is flying right now. We're gonna go in. Let me go into the 1 minute. 1 minute so far, we're still flying. Let me go back into the 5 minute. Okay, so I'm gonna mark the highest point of the day on the 1 minute, and then once we take it, actually let me do 3 minutes because I wanna double verify because sometimes we might get stopped out. So far the highest point of the day is gonna be this one. Let me go and select it. Da, da, da. Okay, right here. Okay, once we can take that level, 10.90, we can easily go in 10.90. And yeah, so give me a second. Also, the stock market just opened right now, and so far I'm up $600. The past couple of days have not been the same, to be quite honest. Give me a second. Let me see if someone has it's in the meeting. Nope. The last couple of days hasn't been the best, but we're still, I'm not gonna lie, we're still pretty much just fluctuating. It's not bad. It's not good whatsoever. But so far we're still up 70%, 60%. HYMC we're up 50%. Yesterday we were up 80% on this one. VICR 50%, and then it goes up from there. Then some of the ones that we took the other day, 14%. We're gonna see how we do today. Hopefully, it's a good day for us. So now, ticker symbol NG is the one priority on my watch list right now. I'm gonna take it as soon as we break this level. I'll be back on that one, but let me check the other ones. So there's another one. We bounced at the 10. Why is it? Give me a second. We're still. There you go. Okay. Okay, this is another one. Yesterday we bounced at the 10. A lot of volume, and today we can easily take it. I would say above. Let's wait for us to break 20.26. Let me set up an alert. Oh, I forgot. I need to upgrade my account for me to actually get more alerts. Let me see how much is it to upgrade. So to get 20 alerts, more than 20 alerts, it'll be 20 per month. That'll be Well, I'll get back to it. I'll get back to it, but I definitely need it. Okay, so ticker symbol VIAV is actually a good one right now that we're just waiting for it to break. We got some other ones. Yo, Ricardo, how's it going? How's it going, Oswaldo? Yeah, so we have two incredible plays. I'm not gonna lie. So we got ticker symbol NG, which we broke it. Okay, easy. So let's go into tickets. This one right here. So we're gonna go. Let me go and check the lowest point of the day. Lowest point of the day is gonna be, I think, is this one. Give me a second. Is it? Nope, it's not. It's a little bit higher. All right, we're gonna go into this one. Ticker symbol NG. I hate this because I cannot move it. Okay, whatever. Okay, 19.99 is gonna be the lowest point of the day. 19.99. Actually, my bad. That's not even it. Okay, easy. Lowest point of the day is gonna be 10.59. Ticker symbol NG. I'm gonna go and pull up the calculator. So it's gonna be 43. So entry price on this one is gonna be at 11.05. This is a good one. I'm not gonna lie. We have volume. We have everything. Look at this volume that we had yesterday, plus the bounce at the 10, and today we're breaking structure. So 11.05. Now stop loss is gonna be at 10.59. Oh damn, we can go in with a lot of size. I'm not gonna lie. I like this. The 10.59. I can go in with 432 shares. Iron, we also broke iron. I'll get back to that. So let's go into this one. Let's trade it real quick. Let me go in with you guys. So ticker symbol NG 432. Market buy. Okay. Please note this similar is enough. Okay, I think I already have some shares into NG that I went in yesterday. I think. Okay, so I just buying 432. Perfect. Okay, now let's set up our stop loss real quick. Summary. So far, oh goddamn, $700. Once again, it's not really impressive, and that is mainly due to the fact that we've been bouncing back and forth for the past couple of days because the S&P 500 just took a massive dump. But it's coming back up, I'm not gonna lie. But on the massive dump that we have, we should have lost money, to be quite honest. I was expecting to lose money, but I didn't. So that's a plus, I guess. So NG, let me go and put it right here. Set up your stop loss real quick. So stop limit. So stop loss on this one was at 10.56. 10.56. 10.56. Actually, I bought 400. 432. Okay, I'm setting up my stop loss at 10. You know what? I'm gonna go with 10.56. I'm gonna lose more than 0.5%. That is due to the fact that I did my math incorrectly. 10.56. I put on the calculator. I put my stop loss all the way at 10.59. It's only 3 cents, but that should be just like an extra. If I'm not mistaken, like an extra $30 of a stop loss, which is not bad. But still, okay. So easy. So to GPI. So NG 432, 10.56, 10.56, 10.56. Go to cancel. Okay, easy. Four, three, two. Okay. Okay, not bad, not bad, not bad for today so far. The other one that I was looking at, let me put it on the group chat. I keep forgetting. NG stop loss add 1056. Regular risk on that one. That one's good. I'm not gonna lie. If anything, 0. I mean, if anything, 1% of risk. I went in with 0.5. It's all good. Don't worry. Yesterday, I also went in with a little bit more. I think yesterday I went in with just 0.1 just so I can test the water. So in essence, I'm deep into like 0.6% on risk. Next one's gonna be this one. Ticker symbol VIAV. We're still not breaking the players that I wanted to break, which is gonna be this highest point right here. But in reality, look at this. We actually bounced at the 10, perfect touch. And then right after that, what we had was a breakup structure yesterday, which we ended up rejecting. Today, we're actually above that, and it's looking like we're holding that level. And we had a lot of volume. Besides that, I definitely want a quick break at 20.25, which we are currently somewhat breaking that level. It seems like we might be bouncing. Yeah, it looks like it. So give it a quick second. I just want a candle that closes above that level, and then we can easily enter. So this is another good one. VIAV. 2 grams. Give me a second. Yo, 2 grams. Come here. What happened? Okay, let's see what we got. Okay, we are currently breaking that level, which I like it. Yo, Milo, no. Bro, why my cat's always always on top of my computer? Brother, give me a second. No. Okay. Yeah, I want to clear. I want a clear break of that level right there. If we can just have a clear break, we're gonna go in with more size. I want a candle close, but besides that, let me look at some other ones. So we have this one. Okay, this is another one that we have a lot of volume yesterday. We're rejecting today. So if we can break the highest point of the day, ticker symbol, where's it at? BOH. Let me just put it right here. If we can break the highest point of the day, this one's actually a good one. Yo, kid. Okay, next one's gonna be this one. Then we got the 20 right under it. I don't like it. Then we have this one. Well, not a lot of volume. Not a lot of volume, but I have an alert. Give me a second. Let me go back to iron. Iron we just broke apparently. Not a lot of volume. Oh, good. Then we have AB. I was looking at this one yesterday. The SMAs are all over the place. I really don't like it. USAR. We're still good on that one. We took profits yesterday on that one. Then we have KC. No, then we have DOCN. We rejected a little bit. Damn, the fact that we went up 6% overnight is crazy on this one. Okay, going back to this one. We're still not closing above it. I want a real close on this one. Let me go and make sure that we get a little bit of a bigger watch list. Let me switch this up to 500 billion. There you go. Okay. We're gonna be waiting for this break right here. So we have GM. I don't like it. We have CELC. It's been on my watch. Okay, I'm not gonna lie. This one's good. This one's good. I just looked at it right now. It's actually good. Look at this one. This is actually a perfect trade right here. It's definitely gonna be a perfect trade. So look, we had a massive amount. A massive amount of volume yesterday. Well, could be a lot better, but still a lot better than the other days. Besides that, we had a huge move up to the upside. We had a doji candle with a lot of volume. Then we bounced at the 10 yesterday. We couldn't break this level, which was a rejection level, 116.30. But today we actually opened up above it, and it's looking like we're holding. So if anything, today we might be able to go in on this one. Ticker symbol CELC. Let me go and check the 5-minute charts. Yeah, so I'll say above. You guys can set up an alert above 120.22. We can easily go in above the highest point of the day. The only thing with this is that I need a. So I'm trading with this platform because my other platform stopped working. So with this one, I just gotta figure out a way so I can get more alerts. And apparently, I gotta pay like a subscription about for me to do that. I gotta figure that out. I'm not trying to waste my time right now. So we have that one. Then the other one that we were looking at. Ticker symbol. VIAV is another one. Okay, I'm gonna be looking at this one really closely because I definitely want to get into this. This is a really good trade. Let's wait like a good. I think let's see what time is it. We got like 1 more minute until this kind of closes. We got 1 more minute. Okay, I like this. I like this. Give it 1 second. Okay, I think that now start pulling up your calculators. Let me move this candle a little bit higher. Okay. Yeah, this might be the break right here. Okay, easy. So remember, guys, get a calculator. This one's 0.5. 0.5 on this one. Let me just pull it up on the one on the daily time frame. VIAV. Look at this. Okay, that's perfect. So entry price is gonna be at 20.41. 20.41. Then we have stop loss all the way at 19.99. 19.99. And goddamn, okay. Okay. This one we can actually buy a shit ton right now. 293. I just want this candle to close, that's it. And look at the volume, it's actually coming up. It's actually coming up with a lot of volume. I like this. I like this. Let me look at the S&P 500. Okay, we closed above it. Okay, go in right now. Now, boom, boom, boom. I actually went into this one yesterday as soon as we broke this level. So I think in total, I have like just $1,000 into this, but not a lot. Ticker symbol VIAV. VIAV. Buy market 293. 293. Oh, what the hell? We're just rejecting this level right now. Give it a second. I'm not gonna lie, I was about to press the buy button. Look, I was about to. Give it a second. Give it a second. I definitely want a clear break of structure. Not this. Whatever the hell is this. Okay, in the meanwhile, let me go back and check every single one of the other ones. So we have CLCL, this one, CECL, which we're rejecting as well. Then we have APOD. I was looking at this one this day, but yesterday we rejected heavy. So if we can bounce at the 10 today with volume, we might be able to go in, but not really. PAGS overextended. Overextended. This one, we just needed to pretty much come back a little bit closer to 10. Oh, I don't like it. The 21's on top of the 9. I don't like it. This was on my watch list the other day when we were pretty much approaching the 10, but we broke it, so it's out of the sight. This one, Iron, was on my watch list all these days, but now, yesterday we broke the 10, closed under the 10. I don't like it. I don't like it. Actually, this one we just need to touch the 10 and have a bounce with a little bit of volume. Nope. Okay, this one I was liking it on this day, but yesterday I don't. Yeah, we just had a bearish day. As you guys can see, I set up an alert at 147, which we never broke it yesterday. Today we're bouncing at the 10. We just don't see enough volume. That's it. Volume is pretty much the main key that I always look for. Because remember, volume is really what moves the markets. NIQ, it was another one that I was looking at yesterday. Look, we have a massive amount of buyers, but for some reason it's not reflecting on the volume. Doesn't make sense. And there's pretty much a reason why we're rejecting today. Then we have LQDA. I went in this one yesterday, put it in the chat, and I actually went in late at the break of 42.04. So yeah, my entry was not the best, and that is due to the fact that I was waiting for volume, which never came. So we still don't have volume into this one. We might be able to go in today, but I don't want to double dip, and mainly due to the fact that we don't have volume. But on ticker symbol VIAV, we just pretty much coming up with never mind. Kips rejected that level. Yeah, you guys see this? Kips rejecting it. I don't like that. Okay, going back again. So LQDA. I don't want to double dip on this one because we don't have volume, but mind you, on ticker symbol HYMC, we had no volume, and that one still like shot up all the way to 80%. And I mean, I still went in with 0.2, 0.3s. Let's go and keep on looking. We had LQDA. Oh, Wiener was another one that I was looking at. No volume, but we still went up by a lot. TE. Okay, let's see. Just going on all of this. Let me refresh this real quick. Okay, we have a couple more that just came into the watch list. Volume could be a lot better on this one. This one might be good. We're probably gonna go in with 0.3% of our account. Ticker symbol COHR. Let me just put it on the watch list real quick. COHR. Another one's gonna be VOH, but they just keep on waiting because I'm just waiting for another close out here. I'm gonna go if we just have a close. I'm not trying to just wait and monitor this stock. If we have a close, I'm gonna go in. I really don't care if I get stopped out or anything like that. Just give it a quick second. It's gonna close in 3 minutes. Okay, we already closed. Okay, I'm going in into ticker symbol VIAV. Even though we are somewhat consolidating on that level, but it's looking like we're actually have some strong buyers. Look at that. Okay, so I'm going into right now. So I just went in with, okay, let's see how many shares. Okay, I went into this one, VIAV. Let me just set up my stop loss. Okay, stop loss on this one on ticker symbol VIAV is gonna be at 19.99. 19.99. Easy, 19.99, 19.99. Okay. So okay, perfect. Okay, now let me go in and check other stocks real quick. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Okay, perfect. So COHR is another one. Okay, this one's a good one. COHR. I was waiting for the break of structure. We already have it. COHR. Actually, give me a second. Before we go into this one, BOH. BOH was on my watch list this morning. Never mind. We rejected. We rejected. We rejected heavy on that one. Give me a second. Let me put this on the on the group chat. Okay, ticker symbol FLNC. This one pretty much bounced at the 10. Good amount of volume and buyers. And plus today we're still somewhat going. This is a good one. I like this one. Volume could be a little bit better, but I like it. I'll say a break of 28.36, and as long as we hold. So let me put it in the good on my bad on the watch list. FLNC. I'll be back to that. Then we have GM. I don't like it.
You also get stopped out on NG?
Did we get stopped out?
Yeah, bro, I got stopped out.
NG, let me look at it real quick. There's no way. I mean, I don't see it unless NG. Okay, I think I did get stopped out. Yep. Give me a second. Let me look at my orders. Yeah, but there's other ones that we went in. So NG, we got stopped out. Yeah, I got stopped out. Yeah, I did get stopped out. It happens, bro. Look, and I'm telling you, this is one of the best ones. Look at this massive amount of volume that we had. Out of all the ones that we had today, this is one of the best ones. Oh, good, bro. Oh, good. Yeah, I was like, no wonder why my account balance went down. Oh, good. All right, let's see. Let me just go through this one more time. So next one's gonna be WSFS. I'm probably gonna go back to it. WS. Then we had nope. Oh, what the hell is this? That was all over the place. VNet. Don't really like it. We have a lot of good plays, but for some reason the volume is not showing. I'm not gonna lie, since we have a lot of them, we might be able to go into them with less risk. Yeah, with less risk because we have a good ones, but there's no volume backing everything up. By the way, VIAV is actually running up. I'm not gonna lie, look at this. RGC, I don't like that. Okay, I'm not gonna lie, we're probably gonna have to go into one of this. Maybe this one. Let me do the math. So let's go into COHR. All of these are really good when it comes to price action, when it comes to respecting the 10 SMA, bouncing at the 10 SMA. The only thing that this stocks or pretty much all these plays don't have is going to be volume. Look at this amount of volume. So if anything, I think that I might go with 0.5, but I definitely suggest you guys to go with at least 0.3. I'm willing to take the hit if this doesn't go our way, but look at this volume. Like, look at NG. NG was actually a good one. We had a crazy volume on NG, but for some reason, we rejected. Are you serious? There you go. Look at this volume. We rejected out of nowhere, but oh good. If it comes down to it, if we actually come and break this level, I might have to go back in. But yeah, we'll see what happens. But as of right now, COHR, I'm looking at this one right now. Let's see. Let me set up. I hate this. There you go. 200.60 is going to be your stop loss. Let me do the math real quick. Probably going to go into that one. Okay, so entry price on this one's going to be at 209.27. Damn, it's going down. So 208.70. And then we have stop loss at 200.60. 200.60. 24 shares. I mean, okay, I'm gonna go into this one. I'm using 0.5. You guys can use 0.3 at the most, but yeah, that's pretty much just because we don't have volume. I'm going ticker symbol COHR. That's the one that I'm going into. COHR.
Yeah, take a look at FLNC.
I was actually looking at that. We were looking at that
Yeah.
real quick. Yeah, let me actually go back.
That shit looks like it's got some pretty decent volume.
Yeah, we're probably gonna have to go into both of them, bro. To be completely honest, they both look good. They both have the same amount of volume, bro. I'm not gonna lie. They both have the same structure. Bounce at the 10. It's just that the volume's not really there, but fuck it. Yeah, I was actually willing to look. I mean, I was actually willing to go into that one and the one that I just mentioned. So since I'm already here, let me do the math on this one and let's go in. FLNC. Trend line. No. Where's that at? Bro, I'm still getting used to trading view. It's, bro, I'm telling you, I look like a fucking noob. I don't even know what I'm doing sometimes. 27.12 is gonna be the stop loss. Okay, let me do the math real quick, and we're gonna go in. So going in at 28.67, 28.67. 27.12 is gonna be the stop loss. 27.12. Okay, not bad. 130 shares. Okay, I'm going in. FLNC, and I'm not gonna lie, we're also breaking this level, which is the same thing with the other one. FLNC, buy, market. $130. Did that pop on your watch list as well?
Yeah, I'm looking at my screeners right now.
Okay, hell yeah. That's double confirmation. Okay, I just went in FLNC. Let me set up my stop loss real quick. Stop loss is gonna be at 27.12, 27.12, 27.12. Okay, perfect. Okay, now let's go back into the ones which was COHR. COHR. Look, it's the same thing with this one. We bounced at the 10. The candle itself is looking clean, I'm not gonna lie. It's looking good. The volume is not backing it up. Same thing with FLNC. I mean, FLNC we had a little bit more volume, but this one. Oh, give me a second. I hate second guessing myself. This one. I'm telling you, if we had a breakup structure right here at 213, it'll be perfect. But we don't. At least at that level. So, okay, I'm gonna go back into this once we break 110.90. We rejected this level. So if we can break that, we're definitely gonna go in. Okay, let me look at BOH. Okay, we rejected. Okay, WSFS. This is another one, bro. Look at this. Another one, just that I don't know how to feel about it, to be honest. The volume's not backing it up. That's the only thing. Volume. Okay, that's kind of weird. My charts are extremely slow for some reason. Why? Okay, we're waiting for volume to pull up on this. Okay, so ticker symbol LRCX. I really don't know what's going on with all these stocks. We are having zero volume. Zero volume. I hate it. But if we can break, I'll say 235.94, we can definitely see if we can enter. Let me go and put a trend line.
Yeah, if you want to take a look at one, take a look at UCTT.
UCTT, I beg. Give me a second.
It up to 10 yesterday, and then, I mean, not the best volume right now, but looks like it's going up.
Okay, but let me see. What was it?
UCTT.
UCTT, bet. Boom. Yeah, not the best volume. Bro, that's everything that we're missing. We're just missing volume. That's it. Fuck. Fuck, you know what? I'm not waiting for this. I'm going in. I'm going in because there's no way that there's no volume. Let me look at the S&P 500 before anything. Let me see what's going on. Look at this. So this is what I'm telling you guys. So when we had this gap down on the S&P 500, what was it? On the 26th, I was expecting to lose money, but we didn't. So we stayed stagnant. So which is good. It's better than nothing. We stay stagnant. So far, we're still stagnant. So once we have this break, at that point, pretty much the stock market should be reacting a little bit better. Let's see. So you said UTT, UCTT.
Yeah. You can also take a look at PCVX.
PCVX.
Yeah.
This one.
Yeah, again, like not the best volume, but it's looking like it's gonna break the daily high.
Okay, so this one, this I'm telling you, this one it could have been good on the 26th. My bad, 21st, but yeah, cause look at the amount of volume on the 21st, and then after that, the second day, which it was on the 22nd, it was even more volume, as you can see, this little spike. So this is pretty much a perfect example of my strategy, but as of right now, it's somewhat overextended. Besides that, I only take two entries whenever it comes to a stock, either the day when we have some volume or the second day when the volume spikes. But as of right now, it's pretty much going to be the second, third, the fourth day today, which it's not ideal for us to take it. So I always have my entries on the first or the second day. Let me go back into my bad, I have this one. This is another one. I'm still waiting for it to break. Then let me go back into the watches once again, just in case we can find something. Nope. Like, look at this one, bro. This one we could be good for us to take it today. I'm not gonna lie. Could be good, 100%. Definitely, the volumes is more than usual. I'm not gonna lie. Still, it's not like the other ones are fucking dead. We have some volume at least. We bounced at the 10, breakup structure, pretty much a massive move up. Let me do the calculation, and if everything's right, I might go into this one. So stop loss at 100.98. Let me get the calculator. Let me put it right here. So going in at 107.71, 107.71. Stop loss at 100.98. Okay, no, it's not looking bad in this one. This one, at least we have some decent volume. So going into this one, took a symbol GLW. GLW is looking good. GLW. Okay, perfect. GLW plus, we have a continuation to the top. This is a good one. This is a good one. Today we moved. God damn, we already moved 13% today. There's no way. Okay, I'm going into this one. 107.71, 100, okay, 100.98, 100.98, okay, perfect. Okay, took a symbol GLW. I'm going in. Volume is way better than the other ones, even though we already missed a portion of the run up, but still looking good. So took a symbol GLW. Buy market. 30 shares. Okay, I just purchased that one. And I think as of right now, I have no buying power. Trade. Let me just set up the stop loss. GLW stop loss is going to be at 100.98. 100.98. Sell home. 100.98. 100.98. Okay, perfect. So GLW, I just went in. Let me put it in the chat. Stop loss at 100.98. Let me go back to COHR. Okay, we broke that level. We're good to go into COHR. The hell? And we missed it when we broke it. Fuck. Oh good, oh good. Nothing bad. So this one is gonna be at 214.32 entry price, 214.32, and the volume is decent. It's not like really dead, but it's not really there as well. The only reason I'm going is because we had a bounce at the 10. The second day, which is today, we have a break of structure, which is already good, and the volume once again decent. Could be a lot better though. 214.32 stop loss is going to be at the lowest point of the day, which is going to be 200.60. 214.32, 200, okay. COHR. Okay, we just have an alert from CAMT. Okay, just went into COHR. I'm gonna put it in the group chat. COHR. Let me put it in the group chat. Let me set up the stop loss before anything. $200.60 stop loss. Okay, let me look at CAMT. Oh fuck, this one's looking good, but the volume's not backing anything up.
Yeah, I know we could use some volume on this stock, but if you want to just check it out,
Yeah,
check it out. It's
let me know.
EWTX.
EWTX, bro, this has been on my watch list for the longest. Let's see, EWTX.
I created an alert for 28.95 just so I could get a confirmation of like a clear break of structure for the daily high.
You said where at?
But I set an alert for 28.95.
28.95. Okay, bet. Okay, bet. Yeah,
Just because I thought maybe that would be like a nice.
Yeah. For some reason, bro, I'm telling you, I don't know. I mean, I'm telling you, if I didn't care about my account and I would just go in just to go in, I would go into all of this. Because so far, I have a watch list right now of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 stocks that we looked at. that they are perfect for us to go in. The only thing is that we don't have volume. Yeah, but once again, they can still go up because look, I don't know if you remember HYMT, my bad, HYMC, I think it was. Bro, this one, bro, we went in way back around right here. Let me see, when did we go in? Well,
Yeah, with
as
like no bomb.
yeah, we went in the day that it was no that we had no volume, but we had a clear breakup structure, bounced at the 10. We had a doji
Yeah.
candle. I forgot what day. I think it was this day. Yeah, I think it was this day. So look at the volume. It's not the best. And I went in only with 0.5% because we had no volume, but so far we're up 80%. Well, at the top right here, we were up like around 90%.
Yeah.
But yeah, that is pretty much what happened. So the volume, I mean, if anything, I feel like tomorrow we might get a little bit more volume into all of this, but I still have it on the watch list. But give me a second. Let me go back into it. The thing is the volume, bro. But even when we have volume, sometimes we still get rejected. So that's the name of the game, bro. That's the name of the game. It happens. Let's see. So far, we went in. COHR. FLNC is at 2%. Wow. Okay. Mind you, guys, take profits at 10%, just so you guys can secure somewhat of a winnings. Then after that, 20%, 30%, and go from there.
Where I told you to go into BW.
BW, let me see. You said
Yeah,
V
remember?
VW?
No, BW.
Okay, BW. Give me a
I told
second.
you on the 21st when it was tapping the 10.
Oh, this day? Oh
Yeah.
shit.
20.
You see, bro? You see what I'm telling you? No volume, bro. No volume, and still went up. Damn. Okay, at least I'm happy that you went in, bro. That means that you're learning this strategy, bro. Hell yeah. So far you're up what, like a good 8%
Like
to
30,
35. That is
35.
good, bro. Hell yeah.
Yeah.
Bro, keep on holding it. Keep on holding it until you break the 10 so you can definitely maximize your gains.
Yeah, I'm gonna start trimming right now.
Yeah, you know what? Let me go and check this one just in case if we actually came in with some volume. Oh, we have COHR. I think we already went into that one. COHR, yeah, we did. Then we have FOMC. We already went to this. We have WSFS. If anything, we might have to pivot and see what's going on. So WSFS. Yeah, this one I might go in with 0.35%. Volume could be a lot better, but let me see. WSFS. Which one was the other one that you were telling me, bro?
What do you mean?
There was another one that you were telling me right before. Oh, it was UTCC, right? Yeah, UTCC.
UCTT.
Oh, UCT. Okay. UCTT. The hell? Did he go in?
No, I didn't go into UCTT.
UCTT.
I don't have the buying power right now.
Down. They were run up a lot today. So today we were up 5%. Okay, I'm gonna go in with 0.25% because of the volume. The volume is extremely bad. Okay, so look at CAMT. Now with this one, bro, I'm not gonna lie to you. No volume, but we have double. Bro, look at this wicks all the way at the 10 SMA. We're like bouncing at that level. So I'm gonna go in. I'm still gonna go with 0.5 because I definitely, if I'm gonna make money, I'm gonna make sure that I definitely squeeze the fuck out of this.
Yeah, bro.
So let's see. So this one, CAMT, is gonna be 147.93, 147.93, And stop loss is gonna be at the lowest point of the day, which is not that. Give me a second. Da, da, da. Extend the line is gonna be at. Why does it look like that? Bro, I hate how this is fucking running. Trend line. Well, 143.02 is gonna be our stop loss. 143.02. 143.02. Oh damn. Never mind. I don't think I'm gonna go in with, bro. I'm only able to buy like not even a tenth, not even a 10% of my usual size, so it doesn't make sense for me. If anything, let me look at the other ones. Okay, bro, I'm going into this one. I'm going to UTCC, bro. The hell?
Pretty sure it was UCTT.
Oh, UC?
Yeah, I'm pretty sure it was UCTT. Yeah, UCTT. That shit's going up.
Yeah, okay, let's go. I'm going in. Yeah, I'm going in. So let me get the calculator.
Yeah, value gaps.
6.46. Stop loss.
Yeah, that one's looking good, bro.
Yeah, bro, we had volume, bro. I'll even risk 1% if we had volume.
You think like $2 worth of volume would be like,
What do
definite comfort?
what do you mean $2?
Yeah, like $2 worth of like volume. Like so, at the beginning of the market, it started at it closed at like 43,
Yeah.
44.12. Now it's at 46. So it just went up like $4. That's what I'm saying. Like how much volume do you think?
So whenever I look at the volume, I don't look at the volume like dollar amount. Well, because I'm telling you, sometimes like even with this candles or the candle can be as small as fuck. Like it doesn't really matter how big of a price movement we have, as long as it's showing right here on the volume chart. For example, let me see if I can have a perfect example so I can show it to you when it comes to volume. So, let's see.
On the bottom chart.
Yes, the bottom chart. So look at this one. Look at this candle right here. It's not the biggest, but look at the massive amount of volume. We could have gone in at $27, and so far we could have been at 46, pretty much 2x our money, right? But now look at this. Look at this candle. It's somewhat a little bit bigger than this one or this one, and look, we still have zero volume. You see this?
Yeah.
But still going up. So there's the thing with this one. Okay, so remember what I told you. We can either have two entries. The first entry can be as soon as we bounced at the 10, we have some volume or we break structure. And the second entry could be the second day after all of that happens, which is going to be tomorrow.
Yeah.
So if I was you, put this one on your watch list. I'm also going to be doing the same thing. So UCTT, and that is mainly due to the fact that we don't have no volume. And also another thing, I just did the calculations on the calculator, bro. And trust me, I'm able to pretty much put zero amount of capital, so nothing based on the entry price and the stop loss. It's giving me less than, I'll say less than maybe 7% of my total on my regular entry. So it doesn't really make sense. So in that case, I'm gonna go in tomorrow once we actually find a perfect entry. Tomorrow, what's gonna happen is we're gonna go in as soon as we close. We're gonna wait for the first two candles to open up, and then once we close above those two candles, we're gonna go in. That's usually my strategy. So So yeah, let's just wait for tomorrow, and at that point, the entry price versus the stop loss is gonna be so tight that we're gonna be able to go in with more capital. Look at VI, like look at this one, the first stock that we went in, VIAV. This one right here, we went in, bro. As soon as, bro, I'm telling you, like we didn't even wait for the first two candles to close, maybe three. So we went in as soon as we closed this level at 20.31. That was after one, two candles. After we closed above it, which it wasn't this one, we pretty much shut up. So yeah, so that's pretty much of a double confirmation. Or if you want to take extra risk, which this is usually how I started, is I just pretty much I went to the 1 minute, which is extremely you're taking more of a risk, but if it pays out, it pays out tremendously. I just go to the 1 minute time frame and I just wait for the first 1 minute candle to open up. I go in after we break the first one minute candle, and I pretty much put my stop loss all the way at the low of the day. But now on the 1 minute, bro, you're gonna get stopped out more times because it's just the 1 minute, bro. You don't have much data to go about, so I usually just wait for the first 6 minutes, 5 minutes to close, and then I go. Yeah, that's just me having double confirmations, but yeah, the 1 minute works. 5 minute works, 15 minute works. I mean, I usually don't play 15 minute, but I usually just play 5 minutes and 1 minute. But tomorrow, what we're gonna do with I already have a list of all of the stocks that we're watching, and all of them pretty much already blew up without volume. So tomorrow we're gonna go back into it. If I'm not mistaken, today we're definitely gonna have the volume's gonna catch up to them. So tomorrow we're gonna play like this. We're gonna wait for the first 3 to 5 minutes to close. Once we have the first 5 minute close, we're gonna go in right after we have a good confirmation that we're actually taking that level, if that makes sense.
All right, bet.
Yeah. Do you have anything else on the watch list?
No, I just read through it.
Yeah.
I mean,
And as you can see so far on the
a couple
day,
new ones.
yeah. I mean, not bad, bro. I'm telling you, the S&P 500 went down, and we still were able to make a good 1% today, which is not bad. We had yeah, I'm telling you, we still went into a lot of stocks. We had, bro, yesterday we went into DONC, and today it blew up like almost 7% overnight. But of course, as of right now, it's kind of fluctuating. So far we're up almost 5%. But yeah, bro, once again, bro, I'm telling you, since you're just growing your account, it just takes patience, bro. That's everything that takes.
Yeah, bro.
Yeah, bro. Did you have time to meet up with Kevin or not over there in the Hamptons?
No, I haven't reached out to him yet.
No, shit. Nah, because I think he went back to Ecuador, bro.
Oh, really?
Yeah, because he had some shit to do over there. So yeah, he told me that he went back.
Oh shit. Yeah, he hasn't joined the call since then.
Yeah, motherfucker said, I'm out, bro. I'll be there and just enjoying my life. Head ass. But nah, bro. Oh, good. So once again, let me just do a quick dive into all of the stocks that we had, and a quick dive into the watches once again, just in case if we're missing out anything. So let's see. We have starting with VNet. Look, strong bounce at the 10. Not really, but yeah, that one's pretty much a no-go for me. This one's too overextended. Oh wow, okay. ACMR. I'm not gonna lie, bro. This we might be taking it. Okay, never mind. This one. Let me do the math, bro. Let me do the math. This one's looking good. Volume is there, bro. Is there. It's way greater than the other ones.
You bet.
Let's see. Let me do the math real quick. So stock entry price is gonna be at 54.03. 54.03. And stop loss is gonna be at the lowest point of the day, which is
This closed below the 10 America.
what happened?
I said this closed below the 10 SMA twice.
Yeah, it did, bro. So as of right now, we're coming back with a little bit of volume. So if anything, I'm gonna go in with 0.2 or 0.25, but we'll see. Let me do the math before anything. So 51, 59. Nah, this already ran up a lot once again. Let me put it on the watch list, and I'm gonna come back tomorrow, bro. I'm telling you, we have a lot of good stocks for tomorrow, bro. 9 times out of 10, all of these stocks that we're looking at that we missed. First of all, we didn't miss it. It's just that we don't have volume, and I don't like to break my rules, bro. That's pretty much the first. If you break your rules, bro, at that point you're just gonna start losing money. Trust me. So I don't like to break my rules. That's pretty much why I didn't go into a majority of them. But we have a full watch list for tomorrow. What's gonna happen is tomorrow we're gonna go through them before the market opens. I'll put it in the group chat and whatnot, and I'll try to see the best ones. Because 9 times out of 10 today, the volume is gonna catch up to all of them, if anything. So tomorrow we're gonna have our second entry into all of these ones. That's why I'm not trying to rush into them, or not. I'm not just trying to purchase just to purchase, because I know for a fact that we're definitely gonna have opportunities tomorrow.
Yeah.
Yeah, bro. Let me see. Let me go through the watch list once again. So we have this one. WDC overextended. GFS. It's another one. Bro, what's going on today? No, bro. This is the volume that we like to see. Do you see this right here? But this volume was at the 50 SMA. Yeah, the volume has to be overlapping all of the other ones, bro. FN, it's another one.
DNN might be good for tomorrow because it's right now it's tapping the 10.
You said TNNN?
No, DNN.
DNN. Let me look at it. Oh, damn. Okay. Bet perfect. I'm telling you, I have a full watch list. Okay. Bet perfect.
Yeah.
Perfect. Let's see. I'm just going through all of this.
DNN.
Like, bro, like, look at this one right here. So, for example, this day, you see how this volume went up? Of course, we pretty much would have gotten stopped out. But the day that we could have gone in on this one, once we touched the 10, could have either been this day or this day. The volume was pretty much in there. Let me see another one. So that was not the best example ever. But let's see another one that I can show you. Of course, this one, but the candles matching the volume chart.
Okay.
Like, look at this ones. Look at this ones. Look at this volume compared to the other ones. At least we're matching the rest of them, which is good.
Yeah. Yeah. PPTA might be good for tomorrow.
APTN.
No. PPTA. You were just looking at that.
Oh, PPTN.
No, PPTA.
Oh, APPTN.
Nah, bro. PPTA.
Okay. PPTA. Okay, gotcha.
Yeah, we were just looking at that.
Yeah, I mean we're rejecting this level, and we're pretty much. It looks like it's gonna close under the 10, but we'll see. We'll see. Let's see if we have anything else. Okay, let me go through the watch. So we have CAMT. I'm not gonna lie, CAMT was looking good. No, not this one. CAMT. Look at this one. But look at the volume. You see, there's no volume, but it's going up.
Yeah.
Oh, good. Tomorrow we'll get.
No volume.
Yeah, tomorrow we'll get it. CAM. And plus, today is supposed to be only the first day. Tomorrow is gonna be the second entry price. Yeah, we already run off almost 5% into this one. I'm telling you, bro. I was looking at this one since the break of 146. But oh, good, bro. Oh, good. Do you have anything on your watch list?
No, like I said, I just ran through everything and
Oh shit.
yeah, I was telling you as I went along that.
Yeah.
Like what I
No, good, bro. Once again, it's important not to force any trades or not for us to go in, just to go in. So tomorrow we're gonna filter out the ones that we had volume and the ones that didn't. And if we miss something, we miss something. I mean, bro, you already seen it. bro, I'm telling you, I take a lot of winning trades, but I'm still not able to take every single one of them, bro. We missed a bunch of them that run up 50, 30, 40%. But I mean, at the same time, we still make money, so can't really complain.
It's all good.
Yeah, bro. Brother. Yeah, let me know if you have any questions or whatnot. If you need to pretty much run up through the strategy once again or anything at all, I'm here just to help you out.